Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix you have denied access to your device on OME TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So to fix this issue, you have denied access to your device error on OME TV, ensure that your camera and microphone permissions are enabled in both your device's settings and in OME TV settings. So simply go to your apps, and once you're in your apps, you can simply go and find your OME TV. So once you go and find your OME TV, you can simply see the permissions. So here it is shown that no permissions allowed. So you need to allow your camera as well as your microphone to fix this issue. You should also go to your OME TV itself, simply go and visit its settings. So once you have gone to the settings, you will end up in this kind of interface where you should see that all your browser settings are done, and you have also abided by your privacy policy. And once this is done, you can fix this problem easily. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.